Before assembling the kit, remove the conveyor cone from the dust container. Insert the screws provided in the 4 holes on the body of the central vacuum unit. Mount the gasket on the elbow coupling. Position the fitting from the inside of the central vacuum unit and fix it with the pre-positioned screws. Take the E-Stetich frame, making sure that the orientation mark points to the bottom, and slide it onto the inlet of the elbow fitting that has just been mounted. The connection to the pipe network must be made using this additional fitting. Using the special joints on the central vacuum unit, fit the radius disc of the bivac kit. Place the filter bag on the fitting and close the dust container. Finally, insert the cap included on the inlet of the central vacuum unit.